Guys, hope everyone is well. Friends, as many of us know, Adobe Photoshop is a widely used software. Adobe Photoshop is a very good quality software, usually for photo editing, logo, or flyer creation, image size and pixels. With Adobe Photoshop, when editing a JPEJ, PNG or JPEG format, the image must be opened in the software at first. But if you ever find that your image is unable to properly open the software, and following the tricks shown in the video, you can expect the image to open. I used the 2018 version of Photoshop here. You can try it with another version if you want. So let's get started. Stay tuned, coming soon after the intro video. And in the meantime, subscribe to the channel. Friends, you can see that the image is not open in Adobe Photoshop, rather showing a pop-up note that says, "Could not complete your request because of a problem parsing the JPEG data." Let's fix this problem. Friends, to fix the problem, click on the Edit button at the top and click Preferences from the bottom of the pop-up menu, and then select Camera Raw from the second pop-up menu. Friends, go to JPEG and TIFF handling by clicking on File Handling from Camera Raw. From here, select Automatically Open All Support JPEJ and Automatically Open All Support TIFF and select OK. Now open your desired image file. Hope you can now open properly. So guys, always be good. I hope to reappear some other day. Thanks.